Hello friends, welcome to Stock Market Pulse. I am Nitika. Let's check the pulse of the stock market. So in this video, I'm going to discuss the Nifty Bank chart and its analysis and its level for next week. Along with that, I will discuss one important sector also, one important index also, and I will discuss that chart also. And as I already discussed Nifty 50 chart and its level for next week in separate video, you can go through that video. I already posted that, and all about I will discuss about this Nifty Bank and one important sector. So to know the level of the Nifty Bank, stay connected till then and smash the like button and subscribe the channel for regular index update and stock market update. So let's quickly start the video. I'll go to the Nifty Bank chart first, then I'll go to that sector. So this is the Nifty Bank chart, and as I already discussed in Nifty 50 chart, the same thing happened in the Nifty Bank also. It's totally bullish in last week, back to back 4 5 green big candles. And if I go to the last week scenario, let me discuss little about the last week what happened here. It was on starting the day of the last week, Monday. Here it has made a very good double bottom reversal pattern here, and it was taking resistance here earlier, and here on that day it was here, and suddenly it has given a gap up opening with breakout of this trend line level. You can see I have drawn this. You can see and understand how this technical analysis works, how beautifully this double bottom has been made. And here the gap up opening on Monday, I guess on yes on Tuesday, and here the breakout with a strong volume, good volume, and then Nifty Bank also never looked back. If we talk about even Nifty 50, as I already posted that video, I'll give the link also. That also has back to back given the green candle, and that is also more than 6% up from its swing lower level of the 22,000 around. Same like this, same in Nifty Bank also. It is more than 5 6% up from its low level of 47,800 700 around. It is now already 5% 6% around up, and it is actually at very crucial resistance that I will talk later. First let me discuss this strong breakout happened, and here it was a good resistance at 49,800, and इसी के आसपास here and there it was the 200 EMA also, same as the Nifty 50. 200 EMA, it has closed above that with the gap. Every back to back, every single day it has taken a gap up opening, and this day it is already opened gap up over the 200 EMA. You can see this is a small candle, and the next day is the very strong candle has been made in Nifty Bank. It is very important resistance, which is 50,600. You mark this level also, 50,600, and exactly it has touched this level on Friday, and 50,600, around 672 it has touched, but closed below that at 50,600. But yes, exactly on the resistance it has been closed, which is not looking that bad. Above this level, I can say now Nifty Bank has come in a bull run, has come in a uptrend. But till now it is a very good and strong reversal from the Nifty Bank also, and from the Nifty 50 also. And you can see along with that all the stock is making the double bottom and going upside, and giving a very good rally. Here also again it is making a big double bottom pattern, reversal pattern, and we are sticking this level. This is very important, and breaking this level will take it to the 51,000, first 51,600, which I can show you here with this level 51,600. and then we'll see later after week. But short term, if I'm talking short term, this level should be broken. Support pay, now we can say this 200 mf can be a very good support, which is 50,000, but 50,000 say 40,000, 49,800 around will be a good crucial support for the Nifty Bank. Nifty Bank support 49,800 and then 50,000, and resistance 50,600, and after that, of course, 51,500. So this was a Nifty Bank analysis and the level for the next week. Now we'll discuss the important sector that I mentioned in the starting of the video, which is Nifty Auto. Yes, quickly see the Nifty Auto. Even here, it is also has been this reversal, double bottom reversal pattern has been made already. Even it has been broken out by the Nifty Auto also, and see how nicely it has been broken. And from here, even 1 2 3, if here also 4 5 days back to back, the green candle, and only giving the upside rally. So everywhere I will say, if you go to the Nifty and all the other stock, you will everywhere you will say the positive rally and the double bottom reversal pattern, which shows that market has recovered from its slower level, and now they are going towards up journey. But still we have to check the level, as I told in Bank Nifty also, I am telling in Nifty Auto also. This line I have been this line I have made, which is this line I have made, which has been broken and breakout ho chuka hai already done. But yes, here definitely a very strong resistance Nifty Auto is going to face, which is 22,800. You have to see and watch this level 22,800, which is also 200 EMA in this sector also. तो 200 EMA को भी इसको break करना पड़ेगा to give a more good upside and bull run. But yes, you have to check this 22,800 level. So Nifty Auto is also looking very very bullish and strong, and you can check the auto sector stock like Tata Motor, M&M, Nifty Auto, even Nifty Metal, Nifty Mid Cap 100, Nifty Small Cap 100, all everywhere is double bottom reversal pattern has been made, which is showing a good reversal sign. And after these 200 EMA will definitely show the more upside rally. I will repeat the level again for the Nifty Bank. Support 49,800 to 50,000, and resistance 50,600, and then 51,000 and 51,600. And share the video for the more reach, and subscribe the channel for regular index levels update and stock market update. Signing off.